Buti na lang, wala akong allergy sa seafood. Kilawang hipon, kilawing crab, raw salmon, raw tuna.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the steel making process. POSCO Steelworks run 24/7, 365 days a year.
Wow.
Have you ever wondered?
That's me. So yun, ngayon ay end ng pangatlong linggo, official end ng third week ng fall semester. So hindi ako nakagawa ng video last week. Sobrang busy. Ang daming assignment. Ang onti ng klase. Actually 15 units lang ako ngayong sem. Pero ang daming assignment. At karamihan ng assignment ay puro basa. Puro summarize ng iba't ibang journal or research papers. And then, ipapasummarize sa amin yon. Kaya sobrang busy nung last week. Pero ngayon, itong video to, ano siya, video ng buong dalawang, hindi naman buo kasi hindi na ako nakapag-video nung ibang part sa sobrang busy. Siguro majority ng content is based last week. So, I hope na magustuhan nyo yung content ko ngayon. Yun. Sige, yun lang. Panoorin nyo na lang. So, yun. Tapos maligo. At ngayon ay maglalaba ako. So, yan. Dito kami naglalaba. Ito ang labahin ko. Yan. Hangin natin dito. So, dito, isa lang yung washing machine. At kailangan mong i-timing kung kailan ka maglalaba. Wala kang masarap. Tapos pasok lang ng pasok sa loob. Pero syempre, dapat naliwan mo. Yan, naipasok na lahat ang aking labahan. Next is lalagyan natin ang detergent. Tapos, syempre, hindi ka makakapaglaban ng libre. So, mayroong ginagamit ditong card para nire-reloadan yon. Mamaya papakita kung paano siya reloadan. Tawag dito ay coin app. So, coin app. So, coin app, sabi, prepaid for washer and dryer. So, coin app. So, gawin lang, 1,001. Tap mo siya. Tapos, press mo na yung kailangan mo. So, since magwawash ako, start. Then, mag-start na siyang maglaba. So, for that, iiwanan ko na muna itong nilalabahan ko. Antayin ko na siya 15 minutes. Tapos, next one ay dito ko siya patutuyuin. May dryer din dyan. So, for 50 minutes, i-wash niya yung clothes. Tapos, babalikan ko siya. Ilipat ko naman siya doon. Tatap ulit ako dito. Yan. So, yun yung washing journey. So, balik na ako sa kwarto para mag-ayos naman dun sa kwarto. Okay. So, yun. Lumabas muna ako kasi meron akong hahanapin ngayon. Dito sa Korea, talagang praktisado nila yung honesty. So, honesty meaning, kung hindi iyo, wag mong galawin. Kaya yung ginagawa ng iba dito, kunyari, magkakape sila or sa isang cafe, kunyari. Kararating ko lang, kailangan ko magpa-reserve. Ang naging usual na ginagawa ng iba dito, lalo na yung mga locals, iiwan yung cellphone dun sa lamesa. Reserved na yon. Tapos tsaka sila o-order. Or kahit na anong gamit, iniiwan lang nila. So, ito, nagaya na to. lahat yan, puro kung baga sa Pilipinas, Shopee. Yun. So, Shopee, naghihintay lang itong mga package ito may mag-pick up sa kanila. Ayan. So, yan. Yan yung... Ngayon nahanapin ko yung akin dito kasi yung pangalan dito maliit lang tapos first part. Good thing is kami lang yung alphabet character. Hindi Hangul character yung nasa delivery. So, yun. Yun lang. Share ko lang. So, yun. Nakalimutan ko yung mic ko. May welcoming dinner na magaganap ngayon. Sinama kami ng aming senior at coordinator sa buffet. Buffet dito sa Korea. Sa Pohang. Hi! Silya! Oh! Hello! Oh! The others are here. Buti na lang wala akong allergy sa seafood. Kilawang hipon, kilawing crab, raw salmon, raw tuna. Kajang raw crab, marinated crab. So I'll try it first. It's a good thing I don't have seafood allergy. Okay, try it. It's okay. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah. It's actually good.
Really?
Yeah.
How does it taste? Like,
You know the cooked one is like oily. This has the same taste.
oh, okay.
Yeah. You try it. But it's hard to get. Hello everyone. My name is Jota Hernandez from the Philippines. And I hope to have a more friendship or fellowship with other classmates and learn from each other. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Once again, welcome to Handong. And with you being a month here, and I feel you have know how to live in Handong and also in Johan. I just want to tell you what Professor Kim always tell us, work as a team. There is no competition here, so help each other out. And as my advisor always say, be a problem solver. So work hard and help each other, okay? So good luck in your new endeavor. Thank you.
So we're full. Yeah, Ino. Tepulo. Yeah. So we're now crossing the street and then what? We'll just go to burn the food by walking. It's a lot of food. It's a wrong decision to eat lots of raw seafood. I think it will bring my blood pressure to the top. So just how many minutes? 5 minutes of walking. We reached the Yonggilde Beach. This is the Yonggilde Beach.